There is research in the field that demonstrates strong links to post-school outcomes and quality post-secondary transition planning. Research from the National Longitudinal Transition Study shows a significant relationship between high-quality post-secondary transition plans and post-school outcomes. Also, starting in 2009, the National Technical Assistance Center on Transition, the Collaborative, or what we call NTACT-C, has compiled a list from the research base of the top in-school predictors of post-school success. There are currently 23 predictors of post-school success identified. We will share the list of those predictors in the coming slides. What do we mean, though, when we say predictors of post-school success? A predictor is an experience or activity a student has during high school that helps prepare them for further education, employment, and independent living after high school. Here is the list of predictors. The highlighted items are among the top predictors. We often say these give you the biggest bang for your buck. Predictors highlighted in yellow are at least research-based in both education and employment, meaning that students who participate in these activities are more likely to be employed or pursue further education and training after they leave high school. Predictors both bold and italicized are also positive factors identified in the National Longitudinal Transition Study. Think about the list of predictors and how you are or could be incorporating them into practice with your students. Are your students enrolled in CTE classes? Do your students have jobs? Are your students advocates for themselves? And do they participate in the general curriculum with their non-disabled peers? Students will have better post-school outcomes with targeted focus on services that align with these predictors. NTACT-C has created a one-page resource listing the predictors and the post-school outcome areas associated with them. You can refer to these evidence-based practices in transition when you're developing transition plans for students to ensure that you are using strategies and practices that will result in positive post-school outcomes for students that you work with.